Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making spicy tuna celery sticks. So what you're going to need for this is 3 stalks of celery, a 5-ounce can of tuna, so a can of tuna, a tablespoon of sour cream, or you can use mayo. The original one I got, it calls for mayo on this, so most people use mayo for the tuna fish anyway. And then your favorite hot sauce. So let's get this put together and see how it turns out. I really enjoy this myself, so here we go. I'll see you in a little bit here after I get everything set up. Okay guys, first thing you're going to want to do is first you're going to want to rinse your thing. I've already rinsed these off. You rinse your celery sticks off. You got 3 of them. And what you're going to want to do with these is, I always cut these up to thirds. Some people can like to cut them up to just in half, but I like to cut them in thirds. And cut that one a little short, but that'll be alright. Alright, so that's your celery sticks there. We get those ready. Alright, next thing you want to do is open your tuna, packed in water, and you want to get it drained as much out as you can with the out of the water. You want to get as much water out of it as you can. That will help you out a great deal. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you take a tablespoon of sour cream, and then I didn't open up I've got a new bottle here. I just ran out the other day, so I had to get a new bottle of it. So, technical difficulty. Okay, there we go. So, alright, then you want to, go ahead and pour it out this way. Get your tablespoon of tuna, put it in there, and we're going to get it all mixed in here. You just get it all mixed in really good. Alright, there we go, good and mixed in there. Now the sour cream has a little bit of a different taste than the mayo, and it's also less calories, so that makes a great substitute anytime you don't need, if you don't like mayo. Sour cream makes a great substitute. Next thing you do is you just take your tuna and just spread it all over your thing, and this makes enough to fill up the whole thing. and spread it on there. So, okay guys, I'm going to turn this off for a second, finish filling this up here, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, here's the celery sticks. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try here. Got it all spread out, and as you can see, it all worked out. It came right to the right amount. I filled some of them up a little bit, not too much, but let's go ahead and give these a try and see how it turns out. This is good. Alright, this here was a spicy tuna celery. It got really good flavor, you guys should enjoy this, especially if you were looking for a healthy snack. These were really good. It has good little taste. If you don't like the sour cream, you need to use mayo. And alright guys, well, take time to comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. I have a cooking video that comes out every, or food prep video that comes out every Saturday morning. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure videos. So I just want to remind you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and then enjoy your day. And I'll see you guys next video. And so here we go. I'll see you guys later.